Hello, everybody. Fan Man 1989 here once again. Good afternoon, YouTube. This is a 2007 Hawaiian Breeze 20 box fan. And the model I do believe is a FB50-A3, and it was manufactured in January of 2007, and it was made by the GD Media Environment Appliances, made in China, and draws 120 volts, 0.75 amp, 60 hertz. And I guess that has to do with the company number there, I guess. It's a pretty cool looking fan. I can't say if these are a rarity. Definitely wouldn't see any of these being sold in stores, considering that the fan is 15 plus years old. It has a pretty cool design to it. There's the carrying handle. It's still intact. It's still there. There's the switch knob. It looks like it needs to be deoxidated. It does appear to be pretty yellow there from weather exposure. It is really dirty. I found this in the closet. It's like I like the color to it. It's like a white, grayish white color. Design is very similar to the Lakewood P223 box fan. There's the blade set there. I think that's pretty cool. Hawaiian Breeze. There's the inside of it there. It's really dirty. And it is powered by a capacitor. Most unusual switch that I've seen on a box fan, but then again, this is I haven't seen many of these. It's got a really cool design to it. I like the look of it. Looks like I said, it looks very similar to particularly even the motor brace there, very similar to some of the Lakewood box fans. Let's go ahead and turn it around. This thing is not heavy, but it's not particularly light either. Okay, here's the back of the fan. It's got a pretty cool, design even on the grills. These two slats there, I'm not exactly sure what those are for. Maybe that's just the design of it. I don't know what the motor is. I think this is probably just a single basic shaded pull motor. I know that it definitely doesn't have a McMillan. Sorry if I sound a little funny, but I'm still trying to get over a bug here. Even has the original feet to it. I think that's pretty cool. I like those. This is the power cord. It doesn't look all that bad. It's not frayed anywhere. I don't see any exposed copper wiring. And the prongs are not tarnished. And no, it's not fused, so I don't have much of any information on these particular fans. I'll take a couple of pics, and I may post them on Facebook and get some information on it. Let's go ahead and see if we can find any information here on the bottom. Can't find anything, so this whatever I could find here on the site is pretty much all the information that I could dig up on it. I do know that it's from the mid 2000s. This was right around the time where the last of the finer fans, started to, well, I guess you could say go downhill, but that was even right around the time when the Galaxy box fans, were starting to, they were starting to disappear, obviously. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and I guess we'll start this thing up and see what it does. Okay, I guess I'll go ahead and I'll start up this thing here. I'm gonna have to be very careful with this because the switch knob is not on there right, and I don't know what this thing is capable of. I do not have an amp reader, so I'll just take extreme precaution here. Okay, go ahead and we'll start it up here. Yeah, like I said, that knob's not on there all the way. And there went the knob. Oh shit. Not good. Okay, so unfortunately the knob has broke off, so I'm gonna have to find a way how to fix that. I might even have a spare that I can put on it, so we're just gonna be using these pair of pliers here to turn it on with. So okay, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Okay. Yeah, it's putting out a decently good breeze, I guess. There's not a whole lot of vibration to it. It sounds very similar to the Liquid. Okay, let's turn it over to medium. Okay, hopefully y'all got a good glimpse of that. I don't have my tripod on me at the moment. I do not have an amp reader. I don't know how long it's been since this thing was used. Puts out a little funny smell, and that's why I'm not too trustworthy of it. It might have been from months of sitting in a closet. Well, there you go, everybody. There's a quick little video of this Hawaiian Breeze box fan. It's a pretty cool little fan. This fan, however, does belong to a friend of mine, and I'm going to talk to him and see if I can try to get it off of him and do a little work to it. Definitely could use a good cleaning and a good service. Well, not so much as a service, but I think more or less of anything else, a good cleaning. I mean, seems like it runs like it should. Didn't have any issues starting up. I think it's just where it been just been sitting around, or it hadn't been ran in a long while. So, well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you've enjoyed this demonstration and more videos to come. I may be able to get another video on this. There may be a revisit along with the other fans that I have filmed this week. Well, I hope that you enjoyed, everybody, and that'll do it for now. Have a good day. Comments, like, subscribe, and bye-bye.